The AUKEY wireless charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the AUKEY wireless charger. This charger will work on all Qi enabled devices such as the iPhone X, 8, or Samsung Galaxy S9 and S8 to name a few. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user manual, a product warranty card, and a micro USB charging cable. It doesn't come with the outlet adapter, so if you have one laying around, you'll be able to use that. This is a 5-watt wireless charger. The design is very sleek. It's light and small. The top has a matte finish with the AUKEY branding. You can see how thin it is. The back has a port for the power, and you also have the LED status light on the front. On the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet to give it some stability so it doesn't slide around on surfaces. It comes in at less than 3.5 inches all around. And just fractions of an inch in thickness. It's very simple to use. To power it up, just plug in the power cord on the back. I'll adjust my lighting so you can see the LED status light. Red will indicate that the device is on, and it will turn green when a device is charging. I'll use an iPhone X with an OtterBox case. As you can see, there's no issue charging with the case, and you can see the LED turn green, and on the upper right of the phone, the charge indicator is activated. That's all to it, very simple to use. There are some safety features built in, such as a temperature control, foreign object detection, power input monitoring, and more to ensure it operates safely. The AUKEY wireless charger. This is a very sleek and simple charger. It's easy to use and it works well. If you have a wireless Qi enabled device, this is definitely worth a look if you don't want to deal with cables. It's also very inexpensive. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.